Your food can be your greatest medicine or your biggest challenge. If you're struggling with stubborn fat, low energy, or unstable blood sugar, the solution may be sitting right in your kitchen. Today we're diving into 15 powerful superfoods that can naturally burn fat, balance blood sugar, and boost your overall health. Stay with me until the end, because number 15 is a delicious surprise most people completely overlook. Apples. That old saying, an apple a day, holds powerful truth for metabolic health. The key is pectin, a soluble fiber that forms a gel in your stomach. This slows sugar absorption, preventing spikes, and keeps you feeling full longer, making weight management easier. But pectin is also a prebiotic, feeding the good gut bacteria crucial for a healthy metabolism. Apples are also packed with antioxidants like quercetin, which helps protect the insulin-producing cells in your pancreas. Try adding slices to a salad or baking them with cinnamon for a guilt-free dessert. Avocados. This creamy fruit is a superfood packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that help your body burn fat more efficiently. This healthy fat, combined with a hefty dose of fiber, dramatically slows digestion. The result? You feel full and satisfied for hours, crushing cravings and stabilizing glucose levels. Avocados are also a fantastic source of potassium, which is vital for blood pressure control. Try blending them into smoothies for a creamy texture, or mashing them with lime and cilantro for a classic guacamole to pair with veggie sticks. Leafy greens, including spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These are true nutritional giants. Being extremely low in calories and carbs, they have a negligible effect on blood sugar. They are loaded with magnesium, a crucial mineral for glucose metabolism. In fact, studies link higher magnesium intake directly to improved insulin sensitivity. These greens also contain unique antioxidants that fight inflammation, a key driver of metabolic dysfunction. For an easy boost, wilt a large handful of spinach into your morning eggs or use sturdy Swiss chard leaves as a healthy low-carb wrap. Walnuts. This is brain food that's also brilliant for your blood sugar. Walnuts are a top plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids in the form of ALA. This powerful nutrient actively fights the chronic inflammation that contributes to insulin resistance and weight gain. Studies show that eating walnuts with a meal can significantly lower the subsequent blood sugar spike, making them a perfect partner for carbohydrates. Their combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats also keeps you full. A single handful is the perfect portion. Try crushing them to create a crunchy coating for baked fish. Blueberries. These tiny berries pack a mighty punch against high blood sugar. They are bursting with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep color. Research has demonstrated that these compounds can significantly improve insulin sensitivity, helping your cells use glucose more effectively. Despite their sweet taste, blueberries are relatively low in sugar and high in fiber, meaning they satisfy a sweet tooth without a dramatic blood sugar surge. They also support brain health and reduce oxidative stress. Enjoy them fresh in a salad or frozen for a cool snack. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. These cold water fish are swimming with powerhouse omega-3s, EPA, and DHA. These fats are celebrated for reducing the chronic inflammation linked to obesity and diabetes. But their benefits go deeper. Studies suggest omega-3s can help your body burn fat more efficiently and may even boost your metabolism. They're also critical for brain health and protecting your heart. For a quick meal, try adding canned sardines to a salad or enjoying them on whole grain toast for a simple, nutrient-dense option. Eggs. Once controversial, eggs are now celebrated as a nutritional hero. They are packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats, a combination that keeps you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Research shows an egg breakfast can lead to eating fewer calories throughout the day. Beyond fullness, eggs are a top source of choline, a vital nutrient for brain function. Plus, their yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes. Hard-boil a batch for a perfect grab-and-go snack that keeps you on track. Beans and lentils. These humble legumes are a secret weapon for weight management. They're loaded with protein and a special type of fiber called resistant starch. This combination slows digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes and keeping you satisfied long after your meal, helping you avoid mindless snacking. The fiber also feeds your good gut bacteria, promoting a healthy microbiome which is increasingly linked to better metabolic health and steady fat loss. Try swapping meat for lentils in a bolognese sauce, or making a hearty 3-bean chili for a delicious, filling meal. Olive oil. It's called liquid gold for a reason, especially extra virgin olive oil. It's rich in healthy monounsaturated fats like oleic acid, which supports fat burning and improves insulin sensitivity. Its real magic, however, lies in powerful antioxidants like oleocanthal, which has potent anti-inflammatory effects. Landmark studies confirm that a diet rich in olive oil can significantly slash heart disease risk. Use it to make salad dressings or drizzle it over cooked vegetables to preserve its delicate compounds and maximize health benefits. Carrots. Don't let their natural sweetness fool you. Carrots have a low glycemic index, providing a satisfying crunch without spiking your blood sugar. Their vibrant orange hue comes from beta-carotene, an antioxidant your body converts into vitamin A. This essential vitamin supports fat metabolism and is also crucial for a strong immune system and sharp vision. The high fiber and water content in carrots helps you feel full, making them an excellent low-calorie snack. For a delicious twist, try roasting them with cinnamon to enhance their sweetness. Green tea. This ancient beverage is more than just a comforting drink. It's a metabolic powerhouse. It's packed with antioxidants called catechins, most notably EGCG, which is shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. But the magic doesn't stop there. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that works with its natural caffeine to provide calm, stable energy and improved focus, without the jitters of coffee. It also supports heart health by helping to lower bad cholesterol. Oats. Humble yet incredibly mighty. Whole oats are a fantastic source of a soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This isn't just any fiber. It forms a gel-like substance in your gut, slowing down digestion. This process not only keeps you feeling full and satisfied for hours, making weight management easier, but it also plays a crucial role in lowering LDL, or bad cholesterol levels. Furthermore, oats act as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which is essential for overall health. Almonds, the perfect portable snack. Almonds are packed with magnesium, a mineral crucial for hundreds of bodily reactions, including blood sugar control. A deficiency is strongly linked to insulin resistance. Beyond that, they are a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats for heart health, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. The combination of healthy fat, fiber, and protein makes them a triple threat against hunger, keeping you energized and your metabolism humming. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruit, lemons. Bright, zesty, and bursting with benefits. Citrus fruits are famous for their high vitamin C content, essential for a robust immune system and for producing collagen, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Their soluble fiber, particularly pectin, slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing energy crashes. They also contain anti-inflammatory compounds called flavonoids. For a simple health hack, start your day with a glass of warm water with lemon to aid digestion and hydration. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher. And finally, a treat you can feel good about. Yes, you heard that right. The key is choosing dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao. This ensures you're getting more of the good stuff, flavanols, and less sugar. These powerful antioxidants improve blood flow and lower blood pressure by stimulating your arteries to produce nitric oxide. This improved circulation also benefits your brain. In moderation, dark chocolate can improve insulin sensitivity and boost your mood. A small square is the perfect way to satisfy a sweet craving guilt-free. So there you have it, 15 amazing superfoods that can burn fat naturally and balance your blood sugar. The best part? These foods are simple, delicious, and easy to add to your daily routine. Which of these superfoods do you already eat? And which one will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to @BestFolkMedicine, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another natural health tip. Stay healthy, stay balanced, and I'll see you in the next video.